Sorry. Yeah, please. Okay. So go to exercise one. Yeah. So maybe you didn't understand the question. See, B4 is the value. B4, B4 the value. Okay. So we need to check that. Okay. The eligibility is, it is more than equals 10, having the 3 count, right? What is the number that count should be 3? More than, suppose now B10 is for number 10, right? So in the row 6, we need at least 3 numbers more than equals to 10, and total value of that range should be more than equals to 50. Then eligible, otherwise not eligible. Now see, we have the 10 3 times, right? Now then total we just see total how much. So 55. Okay. So condition satisfied, right? Then is eligible. Suppose reduced. Suppose if it is reduced, like if it is not a 10. Okay, greater than suppose put anywhere like 50. One number changed to 50. Now change it 10 to 5. Take 10 numbers to 5. 5 5. Just make it 5. 10 to 5. Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. That's okay. Now see, how many are there greater than equals to 10? No, no, no. 2. Correct. But value greater than 50. Correct. But still not eligible. That is the logic we need to use. So count of see here, count of value in cell B4 greater than equals to 3, the count, right? And the value greater than 50. That means total value. You can put the total otherwise. The total greater than equals to 50. Then is eligible. Then otherwise not eligible. Okay? Yeah. Now next, go to second. Now this is correct. Okay. Now see the class teacher, suppose who is the managing, so they can like like the which subject is like the person is not taking on that day, right? This is correct actually. Yeah. Nah, next. So this is absolutely correct. Yes. Very good. Now I'll give you, one test. Okay. So now you used index, right? Now I'll specify you need to use address and get it that this thing. Huh? Address. Suppose like it will be like this, like do the reverse list by using address formula. Address means address indirect. I don't need to mention indirect. So that's why like address means address indirect both. Huh? Very good, very good. Yeah. Next. So why I'm telling this? So different people can utilize it in different ways. Okay, you are the person being expert. You're going to you need to understand whoever what is the formula that you use. Okay, good, very good. Then before, yeah. So yeah, this is what is the question? Get the total based on the drop down when all selected. Okay, so we need to select. What are the drop down we need to select there, right? So that one, that value you need to get. So this is correct. When you select all, we will get a thing. Okay. Now go to the formula. See, very good. Okay. Excellent. Got it. Very nice. Okay. Good. Then no, go to file. Let us see. Did I give the down? You copy pasted right below one. Okay, okay. So, okay. Now, good. So you want to try this now, right? Think and come back. Huh? No clue. Okay. So this is what, like, I see we have do lot of courses, right? Trainings, right? So people, like, the different times when you collaborate the things, they give list. They who and what which course they covered, right? Completed. What but we have, like, list and courses. So who completed what course, you need to have the data, right? So automatically, whoever completes, you can get into mark. That was, like, blank. That's the idea. So it's easy actually. No, it is very easy. But think, okay, very easy. No. When I get clue, that's all. That's the answer. Very smart, no? I cannot. I cannot give anything. Okay. Next. Yeah. Next. But very good. Good. See, please spend lot of time. Don't see. As I said, we don't want answer. Okay. Try. You'll touch all the formulas because of this. Otherwise, you'll sleep. Right. Now, see. Suppose if I don't give clue, right? Now all 100 formulas will touch. Oh, maybe this. The suppose, like, I'd say, Danny, you need to refer all the formulas every day. Means you don't do. In fact, like, I don't do that. Suppose when you have the problem in front, so definitely you need to look at, okay, how can you crack it? Okay, let me see all the formulas. That's the reason. Okay. Now go to 6. So now this is not working. Suppose no, self January. Well, my not okay. Go to. Oh my God! Oh, no. This is not. No, this is not correct. See, I'm asking only address to be carried, right? So select April. But why is not working for me? June. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, anyway, it's nice, but so many. Okay, click that. Click. Uh, but you worked a lot. Okay, so very nice. No, okay. But so many formulas because system will become slow. No? Suppose if a huge data is there, the system gets slow. Okay, so that's why I told there is no hard and fast rule. So finally we need to get answer. We got it. But one more thing we need to get in the smart way. Now see you can yeah okay then go to next one. But I appreciate there's a hard work you put, effort to put, but try. I don't want this such a big formula. Okay, okay. Next. Okay. What is this? Single formula dynamic. You got this result. Click. No. What is the question now? No. Completely read it. Look up combination should don't, but you used index. I don't agree. Okay. Now, one more thing. One more thing. Okay. So, second table. Cut this. Cut the second table. No. Here, sir. B11. The second table. Cut this. Cut. Paste it paste in somewhere else. No. Not that. Other than that column. Yeah. Paste it. Okay. Now you go and check. This is not working now. Now, table again, I put in the same column, okay? Maybe in the same sheet differently or different tabs, we get the data like this, different tabs. So this formula will not work. But single formula should work. It will come. Maybe combinations we can do, but it will work. See here, this is not working. Okay. So that's the reason specifically I gave no. Look up a formula you need to use. No. Lookup is different, index is different, not point. Okay. Next. Yeah, please. Then. So here, select the thing. Quarter three. In my system, is okay. Maybe like formulas you are. My email is like 2016 per se. Oh, go to result. Go to the result. Uh, One second. One second. So, one second. Ifs used. Okay. Get the single quote. Using offset, right? Go to offset. Yeah, offset. Okay. H5. Mm, okay. Okay. Good. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Very nicely you done. I got it now. Very nice. Okay. Now, one second. One second. So, this through address you can try. Okay. Try through address also. Yeah. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now, okay. One more exercise I sent. Okay. Uh, no problem. Work on that. Okay. Mm. Mm. No, 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 no problem. Okay. That go to this thing. We are doing pivot table. Yeah. So pivot table, you're confident, right? Okay. So what are the things we have now? Yeah. Can you go? Mm. No, no, no. You only do. You only do. I'll guide you. Okay. Yeah. So go to this thing. Go below. Yeah. No, 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 below. Ah, okay. So conditional, say pivot table is there, the conditional format, yeah. Goal seek, goal seek is done. Advanced formula you need to do, okay. So go to the list file. So you know filter, right? So filter I don't need to touch. I don't want. Okay. Whatever we are doing, like give filtering and doing like individual columns, we do that. So I don't want that to continue again. So go to data. Data is there in this. No, one main file, one report. This one only. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this copy paste and separate. So you rename this like input or something like so we can tab name we put as input. The tab name put in. No. Sheet name, right? Sheet name. Rename it like input. So you can. Okay. The same like entire data. Maybe you can copy it the some other sheet. No, copy to the some other sheet. Yeah. So instead of what I can do, instead of okay, right click on the input, delete that sheet to delete it. Sheet to delete it. Okay. So select and no, don't right click. Okay. The two ways you can do. Hold control button. Now go select input sheet. Now don't leave the control button. Just drag it right, drag it. Uh, yeah, let's okay. Leave it. Now see, okay. Now you rename it index. So advanced filter. Okay. So that deleted column cell I1 input is that deleted. No, cell. No. That let it be. Cell deleted. Now, see, I need the combination of filtering report I want. Suppose you can say yellow bay some team name. So sub yellow bay some team name. So value some criteria. Suppose greater than 50, something like that. Okay. So I want the combination of report filter and report I want. But people think like we can get the pivot table, right? But pivot table, the format will change, no? Structure will change, right? Because text always number always in the right side, text always in the top or left row like that, right? Now, as it is, I want as it is, whether in the same place or some other place, maybe column L onwards. I want based on the multiple single or multiple criteria, I need the report there. That is what advanced filter. instantly you can get the report. So to which what you need to do, entire heading copy from K cell, K1 or K5, wherever you want. Paste it, yeah. Okay. Now, suppose you want from K5, we want the report. K5, just mark it. Yeah, just highlight it. Okay. This you need to plan it. You want headings there and where you want the report. Right. Now, the headings below, you need to mention what is the criteria you want the report. So suppose like yellow some name we put the name, any name you can put. Yeah, please, yeah, from that only. So a lot of yellow base are there, no? So one of the yellow base you put. No, put the name. Uh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, suppose example only one criteria I want. Okay. Now, so go to data data menu. In the ribbon, you need to select data. Yeah. Okay. Then, so you need to you can see the advanced sort and filter this thing. So click that. Yeah. Click. Now, please observe this. See, first option is filter the list in place, means wherever the report is existing. In that only we can get the filter whatever you ask for. Now, the second, copy to another location. I don't want I want to see the separate place. That's why I selected I put the yellow highlighted cell. From there, I want to filter data, right? That's what copy to another location. Then list range means data range is selected, source data, right? Already selected, right? Next, criteria range select. Now go to that K1, K2 to end. Below also, criteria also select that table. Okay, this is come to that thing, expand this option. Now this is the criteria range. Got it? Understood? Now copy to another location. See, I don't want to filter in this place. Copy to another location. Go second option, select second option. Copy to another location. Then when you do copy to formula will activate, right? So click that and select yellow cell. Okay, expand it. Yeah, that is the thing, right? Then last one is there unique records, but I don't want all. I want entire list. Suppose in the list, like filter one, if you want unique records, also can do it. We will see that later. Now give OK. Give OK. You see here, all the tasks report has come. Exactly. Now you copy and give it to whoever you want. Now change to tasks or something else. Enter, yeah. Select that option. Advanced filter. Advanced filter. Now see this in this options you selected. This will be intact. It will not change. Only thing is give OK. Just OK. What happened? Nothing has come. Okay, so again go to advanced filter. So A1 to H39, okay. See, a copy to under location is select now. Yeah, okay. So select that copy cell key file, right? No, no, that copy to another location. That no, yeah, the delete and select cell K5 only. Only one cell is select. Yeah, delete. Yeah, yeah. Just K5. Select K5. Then okay, okay. See here. Why this is? Oh, now selection wrong. Okay. So go again. Go to advanced filter. Let it be. Okay. So A1 to criteria. Okay. Why this is okay? Now delete that report K5 to other report. K5. No, no. Escape. Now K5 to that. Okay. No, any one select. No. No problem. Select any one cell. Okay. Control A put. Control A. What happened? Okay. Now delete. Delete. Entire range will be selected. Now go to advanced filter. Now okay. Delete that thing. List range also select first. No, say 1 second. Come back. I do come back. Yeah, expand. Now you select keep the cursor there. Delete and keeps cursor. Delete the range. Delete that. Delete. Yeah. So keeping cursor, no RMR, no need to select, no need to click. Okay. Now yes, cursor in the being is cursor there. You go on to select this. Yeah. From here, no, not required. Not required. From yeah. So select. Yeah. Well, entire range. Yes. Even also here also you can okay, control you can press. Okay, to come. Now criteria range is select criteria range. No. Okay. Delete it. Select that K1 to R2. Okay. Now go back. So select copy. Yes. Delete it. Ideally should work, but I no. Select K5. K5. Then okay. So you'll come entirely. Anyway, I don't know this. Anyway, suppose if you don't get fresh, you need to do it. Okay. Now we saw only criteria, right? Only single criteria. Suppose go to work days. Suppose like work days is say like 1, right? Work days 1 we put. B R2. No, R2. Cell R2. So put 1. So with the combination support services workday 1 you need to have the report, right? So go to select K5, keep cursor in K5. So go to advanced filter, click OK, copy. Yeah. Please, yeah. Give OK. No, it's not working actually. I don't know. Is it? Maybe put 7 there. Okay, then okay. Put 7. Yeah. Oh, I copied, yeah. Yeah. So now go there. Only 7 support services. Only what day 7 it will come. So this is a very benefit, right, for you. So instantly you can give the reports. Okay, understood this now. So please, no, not only don't think not only one. See, we gave the criteria only K2 to R2, right? Now many combinations we can go one by one, right? Not only one row. Suppose support services and task both can get two in the 2 rows. Whatever the, yeah, 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 exactly, yes. The whatever the range you select, based on that range you will get the report, filter and get report. That's what you call it as advanced filter. Clear, clear now. Very good. Any questions in this? Okay, now uh, yes. Even suppose you want, like, I don't want, like, 6 7 headers. I only want only 2 headers. Suppose LOB and workday, right? So only 2 columns you can get. Yeah. Whatever the range, whatever the headers you want, only that headers and criteria you need to put. That's all. Only that 2 columns you'll get. That's all. Okay. What is the range you have selected? What is the range that, like, 2 columns, 3 columns, 1 column, whatever this, automatically only that extent you will get. Now for the showing, like, I put all that thing. Now, so now go to this thing again. So suppose what is the in place, right? So there is one play for option called in place, right? Now go to advanced filter. No, just give okay. Just give okay. See, the in place is selected. Only in place and the same report is filtered, not a separate report. That's what he calls in place. That is, yeah. What where the report is there, the report will show based on the criteria you put there in the K column, filtered, right? Internal data is there, but it's filtered. But you cannot see the filter there. Huh? Please, very important. You don't think only that only this is the data. No. Now see, in the A1 to A to H column, we don't see the filters there. Na? Give okay. Give okay. See here. Unless you see, like, row numbers, you cannot make this filtered one. Don't think this is a filtered one means other data is not there. Is there. So please, very important. Suppose if the confidential data you need to send to some division, it is, like, it is in the mode of advanced filter. If you select like this, thinking that only support services I am sending, all the data is there. That is, you are violating this thing. That is the reason always I suggest copy to the another place. Ah, hmm. You can use only for the analysis purpose yourself. Okay. If I happen to send someone, so don't use that. It is up to you. But one thing is, you cannot normally filter. What happens? You can, like, drop down. You can see in the header, but that will not show here now. And please, very important. See, people do those small mistake, kind of this, without, like, that's the reason. To be, like, I don't use shortcuts. most of the things I don't use shortcut because of this. Okay, shortcut it do this automatically send it because no controller, no. Fast what they do. No. Please click that, then only can recollect a few things. See now the people do the advanced filter, save it and send it, thinking that only support services I'm sending. But what is there in that? Entire data is there that you are not supposed to send client. So see, the more you learn the things, the more you should be cautious till you hands off experience on this. Please very careful. Okay. Now, so again, go take this to the other sheet. One more sheet to create it. Create duplicate. Yes. Input only. Yeah. Hold control and drag it. That's all. See, you can see the arrow mark. You can put. Um, what I can say, auto filter. You can put. Rename auto filter. This is amazing shortcut. Okay. For you, for analysis purpose, or if you happen to drive the client, calls with the client, and if you want to show the report, this is the best one. Most of the people, as far as I have seen, nobody is using this. That you are getting this now. Okay. Now this is a shortcut. Okay. So what happens? Suppose I'm client, your client. Now you are explaining me something. Now, okay. You can see, if you want, you can see the separate sheet also. You should not get confused. Everything is gold sheet. And this auto filter is there. So, okay, no problem. Now suppose you are presenting this report to me. Now suppose you happen to filter data and show based on the criteria, right? Suppose support services, what is the value? Suppose task, what is the value? And one more combination, suppose forecast more than 500, what is the value? How do you do it now? So what is you do? You filter it and go and drop down, select drop down, and that's the way you present, right? So suppose you go to filter it, this sheet, filter the sheet, go filter the sheet. Hello? Okay, maybe lagging. I don't see still. I'm seeing three that is okay. Now filter it. Okay. Now suppose sort is tasks to select from there. Task. Yeah. Okay. Now this is the one. Suppose you want to go give the suppose in the B column. So I need to filter by gift voucher. Column B, gift voucher. So again, I'll have to go B1 and I'll have to select all this, right? Now suppose remove filter. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now we are run through this report, right? I'll say, okay, Danny, you can go down. You can say, I'll say please go. So keep going. So I say, okay, no, stop. So I need to say B30. You can say NPD emails. So I want a list of this. How many? What is the data for this? What do you do now? Again, go to B1, filter it, NPD emails. But what my question is, being cell selection, and immediately you need to get the only this data. Can you do it? I don't want to change the screen. Don't go up and down. Being the screen, same screen, I want only NPD emails data. Is it possible? No. As of now, no, we are not doing this, right? What we do, we'll go to top header and filter it, expand the filter and filter it, right? But that is not a good idea for the presentation. Now, for this, we call it as auto filter. Now, for this little work we need to do. This is this, like, ready-made thing will not not available in the ribbon. We need to get that command button inside Excel, right? Now go to File, click on Options. Okay, now click Quick Access Toolbar, third one from below, Quick Access Toolbar. Okay, now see the left, like, third line, you can see popular commands, right? Popular commands. Next one, yeah. Click on that, expand, select all commands. Then look for auto filter. Uh, got it? Click on the auto filter and click on add. Click on add. That will be placed in the quick access toolbar, right? So give OK. No, not sorry, not auto format, auto filter, above. Did this remove? Yeah, click on the remove. So auto filter from there, fourth one above. Yeah, very good. Give OK. Now that you can see in the quick access toolbar, you can see this top above ribbon, above ribbon, above ribbon. You can see, like, yeah, that is the quick access toolbar. Okay. Now see this. You need any element, like, select the element, click on the quick access toolbar. Suppose no, one second, go the below the report, below, go, okay, go below. Suppose NPD again, anywhere, like, anywhere, any element to select. CEO is there, DSR, anyway. Okay, place that, select that first. Okay, now click on the quick access, like, if auto filter, I can click on that. Go there, all the, now go up. See, only one. Okay, suppose remove filter now. Now go, suppose, like, go column H. Suppose click on 7. Click on 7. Now click on yes. Only 7, right? Now this is the filter now. So now we're going to go to column A, support services specific. Select. Okay. Now click on auto filter. Auto filter. Now we will see only support services. Now suppose, like, what is there here, like, you can, it's all unique only. That's all. So like this, you can instantly, you can filter it. Okay. Now remove filter. Now I don't want to go click on the quick access toolbar and go there and click on the command, right? So for that shortcut is there. That shortcut is not predefined. Please remember with this thing. So this thing not standard shortcut. Okay. This is only your system at this point of time. That's all. Okay. This will change every time based on the icon placed in the order. Means suppose press Alt button, Alt. I can see. Cannot see. See now. Auto filter number. What is the number there? Auto filter icon 5. Like that. What are the icons placed there based on that? This thing. Now suppose you delete. Suppose remove that other icons will put. Then auto filter icon will put place there. That number sequence be something else. Maybe 6 or 7 or 10 based on the icons that is appear. So that's the reason this is not a standard a shortcut. Okay, suppose 5 means now as long as you don't change the icons it will be 5 only, but not some other system you don't see this, right? Now so go to the report, go to the report, so go below somewhere down, so select any element, then alt 5 you press, alt 5. See, automatically is filtered. Now go here like maybe your day also you can any element you can select and you can alt 8 you can alt 5 you put, automatically filter. Okay. Now one more thing. So yeah, like this. Okay. Now remove filter. One final thing you do. Okay. Now go below the data. So column see this you can see the total forecast, right? Delete that, delete the amount. Now I want the value maybe greater than 500. So what we do, we'll go there like put some all the options you need to select, right? Now what we do here, type greater than symbol and find it, enter. Okay, enter. So go back again there, go back. Now say alt 5, go there. See all this greater than 500. Okay, so don't need to go there, filter and all the combination are not required. Now that's how we need to filter the values. Give the symbols, so you can do this. Okay, so this is like a shortcut is for the presentation or instant numbers. If you want to know instantly, they're gonna easily, very quick way you can get the report details. Okay, so this is like auto filter, advanced filter, all the things we covered here. Okay, so any questions? Anyway, I'll send the video so you can, if you have any questions, you can go through now. Yeah. So this is what we will want. Go to the list now. Go to the list. So okay. So this charts, basic charts. So we don't have anything in the charts. So we'll see if it are anything like an advanced Excel. We do many things. We'll discuss there. Okay. Okay. So you have any questions in the any formula? You told me you will come back for the. Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we'll do one thing. So please again, go through what are the formulas you need, make a list. So tomorrow we'll connect and I'll clear whatever the doubts and clarifications are you need to, you want again, no. So I'll reiterate again. Okay. Ah, okay. Hmm. Hmm. So no problem. So we'll do one thing. We'll connect and anyway we'll record it so you can understand. You can have the reference and you can go through. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yeah. So, yeah, as we practice now, it will come automatically. Okay. Okay. So I'll stop now if you don't have anything. So I'll have to connect that girl actually. So, so tomorrow, please get the list. So, so tomorrow we can see all those things. So today, whatever we discussed, especially advanced will all that. Please, practice. Be careful when using. Okay. So repeatedly you need to practice it. Okay. Otherwise you will forget. Hmm? Okay. 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 Bye bye.